Have you ever met a girl that you tried to date, but a year to make love she wanted you to wait? Let me tell you a story of my situation. I was talking to this girl from the US nation. The way that I met her was on tour at a concert. She had long hair and a short miniskirt. I just got on stage dripping, pouring with sweat. I was walking through the crowd and guess who I met? I whispered in her ear, come to the picture booth so I can ask you some questions to see if you're 100 proof. I asked her name, she said blah blah blah. She had 9-10 pants and a very big bra. I took a couple of flicks and she was enthused. I said, how do you like the show? She said I was very amused. I started throwing bass, she started throwing back mid-range. But when I sprung the question, she acted kinda strange. Then when I asked, do you have a man? She tried to pretend. She said, no I don't, I only have a friend. Come on, I'm not even going for it. This is what I'm going to sing. You got what I need
to make me feel right and to make me feel nice. Oh, ecstasy, you got what I need to make me feel right and to make me feel nice. Oh, ecstasy, you got what I need to make me feel right and to make me feel nice. Oh, ecstasy, you got what I need to make me feel right and to make me feel nice. Oh, ecstasy, you got what I need to make me feel right and to make me feel nice. Oh, ecstasy, you got what I need to make me feel right and to make me feel nice. Oh, ecstasy, you got what I need to make me feel right and to make me feel nice. Oh, ecstasy, you got what I need to make me feel right.
Wie heißt die Mutter von Niki Laudaaa? Mama Laudaaa, Mama Laudaaa. Wie heißt die Mutter von Niki Laudaaa? Mama Laudaaa, Mama Laudaaa. Denn ich seh hier kein Problem, die Mucke endlich aufzudrehen. Wie heißt die Mutter von Niki Laudaaa? Mama Laudaaa, Mama Laudaaa. Mama Laudaaa, Mama Laudaaa. Mama Laudaaa, Mama Laudaaa. Wir wollen Party bis zum Morgen mit Frauen und Alkohol. 17,
Sind okay,
18,
tu nicht weh,
19,
find ich schön,
20.
wenn sie stehen. Das sind nicht 20 Zentimeter, nie im Leben, kleiner Peter. 20 Zentimeter sind in Wirklichkeit viel größer. Das sind nicht 20 Zentimeter, nie im Leben, kleiner Peter. 20 Zentimeter sind in Wirklichkeit viel größer. In der Kürze liegt die Würze, doch ich mag es lang und dick. Und bist du zu kurz gekommen, kommst du bei mir nicht zum Flirt.
20 Zentimeter,
Nie im Leben,
20 Zentimeter. 20 Zentimeter.
Mama. Wat een drama.